Hello everyone, I'm Shalja, your computer teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the internet. So what is the internet? The internet is a collection of networks that are connected together for the exchange of information. When the computer is connected to the internet, it is said to be online. So here you can see there are many systems which are connected to a network. When these small and large networks are connected with each other, then the big network is known as the internet. Or you can say that internet is a computer based worldwide communication network which is composed of large number of smaller interconnected networks. Or you can also say that the internet is a collection of networks that are connected together for the exchange of information. When the computer is connected to internet, it is said to be online. Now we'll discuss about the uses of internet. The internet has changed the way people communicate with each other. The internet has also revolutionized the way information is made available to the world. With the help of World Wide Web, a popular web service on the internet, you can now access information from a vast pool of resources in a few seconds. You can use the internet to perform your day to day personal tasks or to find a better job. For example, if you have just completed your studies and are searching a job, you can use the internet to create and submit your resume over the internet. Companies use the internet to search for potential candidates. Fine. So this way they are able to communicate with you. Fine. There are number of uses of internet, but we are going to discuss some out of them. So we will discuss about the communication. That internet plays a very important role in the field of communication, in the field of information sharing, or in the latest information update. Like in the field of education, internet plays very important role in the field of e-commerce, e-banking, entertainment. Let's discuss all these in little detail. First of all, we have communication. You can use the internet to communicate with the people all around the world instantly. Like here in the picture, you can see there are two cartoon characters with on different mobiles. They are doing video call with each other. Fine. So nowadays you can communicate in any way. Like the messages you send over the internet can reach any part of the world just in few seconds. Or you can do video calls, you can do like voice calls over the internet. So you can do anything. Like if you wanted to send any important message, any important file, any important document, you can send it via email. Fine. Within a fraction of second that message will be delivered to the another end. Fine. And you will get a response for the same at the same instant of time. I hope it is clear to you. Now we have information. The internet also helps you to get the latest information on current events. Like on internet you will get every latest information related to any current event. Fine. Many leading news channels use the internet as the medium to provide the updated news. Like if you search about the news channels, you will get number of apps for the different news channels on which they are updating their latest news within every 10 minutes or 5 minutes. They are updating their latest news on their like apps, on their channels. Fine. So if you wanted to search about any latest news, you need to do Google. For that you will get the update for the same. Or what we can do over the internet, we can share our information as well. Like many social networking sites are there on which we can share our information. Many blog sites are there, like on which if you wanted to share your story, your any topic, any information you wanted to share, you can post on that particular blog site. Like we have Twitter to share information, share our different point of view, we can share over there. So there are number of things on the internet on which you can update your information, or you can explore the things for information. I hope it is clear with you. But then we have search. You can use the internet to search for information on any specific topic. Everyone knows about it. You can search about anything over the internet. If you wanted to search about the history of computer, you will get number of results for the same. Okay, there are number of sites which will provide the number of results for this. Fine. So there are many search engines which we use for searching data. Very often we use Google, we have MSN, we have Yahoo, we have many more. Fine. So we use these search engines for searching things. Okay, whatever you wanted to feel like you wanted to search, you can search that. After that, we have education. You can take any course of your choice and register for online certification, exams over the internet. Fine. Now what we are doing now, we all are taking online classes. Fine. So this is possible because of internet only. If there is no internet, we would not be able to connect to each other. Fine. So there are many online courses available which you can join, and you can join the online classes for the same, and for some of them you will get offline classes for the same, in which some tutors have uploaded their videos. You can watch their videos, and after that they will evaluate as per your knowledge, and as per your evaluation they will give you certificate. Whether they will mail you the certificate, or they will show your certificate on the same interface. Okay, there could be number of things. Fine. So in many other ways internet helps in education, like on YouTube you can search any video related to the education. Okay, so there are number of ways, like you wanted to search about any topic related to the education, you can search it over the Google. It will give you the related results. Fine. So internet plays very important role in the field of education. So if you use the internet in a right direction, so it is very beneficial. Then, if we talk about the field of entertainment, the internet can also be used as a source of entertainment. You can listen to music, play games, watch movies, or share picture. There are many apps available, like we have YouTube, on which you watch any videos any number of times. Fine. You can watch your TV serials online on different apps, like we have Hotstar. We have many other apps on which you can watch movies online. Fine. So there are number of things which you can do on the internet in the field of entertainment. After that, we talk about e-commerce. Here, E stands for electronic commerce. Whether we talk about like e-commerce, e-learning, like anything which starts with E, that means that E starts for the electronic. Here we are talking about e-commerce. That means here we are talking about online selling or the online shopping. Fine. You can buy and sell products such as books, electronic goods, groceries, any other essentials, your clothes, your footwear, anything you can buy over the internet. You can also pay for these goods online by specifying your credit card details, not only your credit card details, by your debit card details, via UPI you wanted to pay, you can pay via that. If you don't want to pay online, you can use COD, cash on delivery, as per your requirement. You can choose any mode of payment. Fine. So nowadays online shopping has become very popular because it has its own benefits. Like you will get to know about the different sales on the different brands. You will get to know which brand is giving how much discount. Okay. So there are many benefits, like you can if you don't like the product, you can return the product as well. within the limited number of days. There are many more benefits. You have no need to go for window shopping while sitting at your home. You can explore number of things, okay. So this is very beneficial. So in same way, you can sell your things online. There are many sites available, like we have olx.com, many more are there, on which you just need to click the picture of that particular thing which you wanted to sell online. You need to upload that picture with the given description. After that, the willing person will contact you by their self personally. Fine. So there are many shopping sites available with you, like you might have heard about amazon.com, myntra.com, flipkart.com, jabong.com. For children it is firstcry.com. You might have seen the ad in the tvs also. Fine. So there are a number of online shopping sites are nowadays. These are very popular among people. Nowadays, people are exploring it so much. Now we'll talk about the e-banking. Like you can use internet to perform banking transactions such as viewing detail of your bank account and transferring money from one account to another. Whenever we talk about the e-banking, that means we are talking about the internet banking, electronic banking, where you can electronically transfer your data, transfer your money from one account to another account, or you can electronically pay your money, electronically pay your bills. Okay, when you pay your bills online, that means you are using e-banking. Fine. Nowadays, it becomes very easy. Within a fraction of seconds, you can transfer money from one account to another account. Fine. So, main number of apps are available for the like money transactions. Like we have the very popular app Google Pay, Phone Pay, and many more are there. Fine. Initially, if we want to pay something to like if we wanted to pay something to some person, or if we wanted to like transfer some money from one account to another account, we need to physically visit the bank. We need to fill the particular form, and we need to deposit the cash over the counter. After that, that particular amount will be transferred from one account to the another account. So this was very lengthy process, but nowadays the internet has made everything very easy and smooth. I hope it is clear with you. Thank you so much, everyone.